AgUnity's mission is to transform agricultural value chains, creating economic opportunities for the world's 500 million smallholder farmers. It's a daunting challenge. Some say impossible, but it's been done before. China's agricultural sector once struggled under the state-controlled farming system. Productivity was low, food shortages were common. Decades of reforms led to incremental improvements. But the real transformation began with China's 2016 Internet Plus strategy. This created opportunities for companies like PinDuoDuo, which built an e-commerce platform that gave farmers direct access to consumers, something farmers in many developed markets still lack. Farmers could now bypass traditional intermediaries, dramatically increasing their incomes. Within 3 years, PinDuoDuo went public with a valuation of $24 billion and is now valued at over $200 billion. In 2022, AgUnity spoke alongside PinDuoDuo at the G20 Summit. PinDuoDuo presented a vision for smallholder farmers in emerging markets, and AgUnity showed how to achieve it. Before marketplaces can be deployed, farmer information must be digitized, and farmer cooperatives must be organized. At AgUnity, we've worked with smallholder farmers and their cooperatives for 8 years, deploying our field apps and co-op manager to lay the groundwork for our marketplace, Cropslist. The task is daunting, but we know that it's possible. With the potential to help hundreds of millions of farmers and a total addressable market over 4 times the size of PinDuoDuo's, we think it's worth it.